7 a.m. this morning, and it was just amazing to see how things go down in the dental office and how fun it can be helping people who don't know like where to go essentially when they need help. I want to go to CWI. I want to get my associates inside of dental assisting, then go to BSU for health sciences. I want to become a dental hygienist.
How does this help you?
It gives me more experience in the field.
Well, first of all, it's super helpful towards the community, and it also gives me more practice to work towards becoming a dentist. I'm learning a lot more about the different tools that we have for hygienists and restorative purposes. We were taking the dirty tools that had already been used and putting them into the machines so that they could be sterilized. And then we were taking them out once they were done being sterilized and covering them so that we could put them on trays to bring them to work.
Nice.